Most gamers don't actually have weak PCs. They just waste money upgrading the wrong thing. One stutter, one FPS drop, and suddenly people think they need a whole new GPU. Meanwhile, Discord is open, Chrome has 47 tabs, and the PC is overheating. Some gamers spend $700 just to switch from high settings to ultra settings that barely look different. That's the crazy part. A lot of gamers upgrade because of one bad experience, one lag spike, one stutter, and suddenly their PC feels outdated. Bro saw 58 FPS once and started shopping immediately. Here's something controversial. Ultra settings are mostly pointless. In many games, high and ultra look almost identical, but the FPS difference can be huge. Gamers spend hundreds of dollars for shadows they'll never notice. Every new GPU generation creates the same cycle. Your perfectly fine GPU suddenly feels old, even when your games still run perfectly. Marketing upgrades your PC before you do. This is the saddest upgrade, spending money and getting the exact same FPS. Buying more RAM when your GPU is already maxed out. Buying an expensive CPU for a graphics card bottleneck. This is why monitoring tools matter. You need to know what is actually limiting performance. And then there's future-proofing. Gamers buy 64GB RAM, 4K GPUs, crazy CPUs for games they may never even play. Future-proofing is how companies convince you to overspend today. A lot of gamers buy hardware for YouTube benchmarks, not for the games they actually play. If you only play esports at 1080p, you probably don't need a monster GPU. Some PCs are built for Instagram, not gaming. Sometimes your PC isn't weak, it's just overheating, or dusty, or thermal throttling, or running old drivers. Your PC wasn't dying, it just needed cleaning. Most gamers don't need a better PC, they need better understanding, because smart upgrades beat expensive upgrades. And now the real question is, what should you actually upgrade first? That's the next video.